Hello everyone, I'm in it. Today we're showcasing what me and my family have done on a server within 245 days. So first up, we have one of the family members, Dream Theory himself. I'll link his channel in the description. So first up, we have my house, which is a really nice one. Like my other, well, someone I have, someone related to built this. So we have the hallway, we have the B room. Oh, man, Drogo is getting all the attention, isn't he? Yeah, we have the Advanced Storage Network mod, and yeah, this is where I actually got the inspiration from. This little bit I built myself. Like I added, the only part I added was this window right here, and then just random chests everywhere, which I called community chests. Really, they're just my junk chests. And then we have the Bedrock Energistics mod alongside the machinery, the storage network mod, which I've made videos about those, and I'll put those in iCards. Then we have John Theory's old house that the same person built my house and John Theory's house, which I'll give you guys a quick tour real quick. We have his chests and furnaces and barrels, and then he ain't really that sneaky. He has a uh, little tunnel system that went to all of our bases and his little secret chests. Then we have the well, and then we have we have a restaurant, which I'm not the one who did. Actually, the person who owns the restaurant uh, did the lighting and redstone, and of course we have crap. I can't remember what the mod was called, but we have the redstone add-on, which I'll link that, and I'll link all the mods we used in the description. We have a farming mod, redstone mod, two machinery mods, and a storage mod. Which I'll make tours. I'll make a guide on the redstone add-on, and then we have the courthouse that I built. It looks more like a bank because originally it was supposed to be a bank, which but the inside looks like a White House. It's weird, I know. Which my brother and I were actually had storage. Well, like our vaults underneath the courthouse, which that's my vault. And then his vault contains different things. And then we have my brother's. Oh my gosh, I remember making that pun on like day 50. Which play was written by a pig? Hamlet. And then Jonathan stole the backpack and then placed it back. Which, oh, my brother ate the dumplings. Nice. And then my brother's storage, and finally my brother's base, the treehouse. And then the nether, which there's really nothing in there. We did spawn next to a bastion, which is kind of neat. And there's also a void miner in the nether, which oh, he wants me to show you guys the sweet berries. Well, John there he does. All right, which yeah, that's the restaurant's owner house is this, and then there's my carrot farm. If you can't tell, we just stole a village, which yeah, here's this chaos that we call a sweetberry farm. Blame John there on that one. And, oh, and then we have Jordan Leary's official house. And yes, my brother called it the Gremlins Tree House. Which, Then he's in creative for some reason. And finally, we have Mr. Coca-Cola himself. I don't know. Polar bears, look, polar bears are famous for Coca-Cola or something. I don't know. Lore. And I think that's really everything. And yeah, well, thank you guys so much for watching this little tour and finale of this server. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.